Hi everyone, this is Vitaly with RevitalX Headlight Restoration, and I just wanted to come to you and show you a restoration that we did on this beautiful Dodge Ram 1500. So as you can see, these headlights are now perfectly clear and the customer will be able to see better when driving at night. Before we did the restoration, it was kind of like wearing sunglasses on the headlights. The headlights were not performing the way they should be. All of that oxidation was blocking the light output and you couldn't see very well. It was like wearing sunglasses at night. So what we did is we thoroughly protected all around the headlights while we were working on them. We used masking tape as well as a protective plastic sheet on the entire front end of the vehicle. We are very thorough and meticulous when we are working on our customer vehicles. We used a multi-stage oxidation removal process to take off all of that damaged manufacturer coating and all degraded polycarbonate. And then once that was done, we applied our proprietary coating, which has UV inhibitors, scratch resistance, chemical resistance, and even impact resistance, so that that coating will protect the clarity and the safety of these headlights for many years to come. So how are we different than getting your headlights restored with any other method? Number one, we use a restoration method that lasts. We have spent many years developing our process and applying it in the field, testing it, and our final product has lasted for many years. Number two, we come to your location. We can get this done in your driveway or at your workplace as long as we have access to power and are allowed to work in that area. And number three, we have a very good reputation at doing an awesome job. When you reach out to us, you can expect very high quality service and results that are always guaranteed. Our process is very thorough and we make sure to do an absolutely perfect job for every one of our customers. So if you want to go ahead and find out a little bit more about us or schedule an appointment, check out our website at RevitalX.com and it'll be in the description. You can also reach out to us at 864-485-9170. Don't drive with sunglasses at night. Get your headlights restored. Improve your safety, improve the appearance of your vehicle. Don't spend hundreds or thousands of dollars to replace your headlights. Get it done once, get it done right, get it done by RevitalX.